Welcome back. A recent development in ChatGPT is the Projects tab. If you go to your left side menu, you're going to see near the top on the left, Projects. You can click on the plus in order to create a new project. That's going to open up a dialog box. What you can then do is you can give your project a name. You can then click Create Project. That's going to open up the project area inside of ChatGPT. You will notice several elements to the project area. You will notice that you have a chat area, and this is for individual conversations. You will notice that you have a files area. If you click the files area, what you'll notice is that you can upload files, and those files will all have relationships with all of the chats that you're going to have inside of this project. We're going to close out of the project files. You'll notice also that you can create custom instructions for the entire project. And so the custom instructions that you create will have relationships with all of the chats that you're going to have inside of the project. We're going to close out of this element. You'll notice that the chats that you're going to generate can have specified models. So if you want to use a specific model for a specific chat in the project, you can do it. You will also notice that each of the chats that you're going to have inside of the projects can have its own attached files that you're going to be analyzing. And you'll also notice that each of the chats has a capacity for you to create images as well as to use the writing tools available inside of ChatGPT. So projects allow you to segment your activity and to organize it in specific areas for specific topics. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.